Good morning, guys. We have been having a lazy day. Today, we didn't get to bed until 8. So kind of late last night, and so we have been just kind of hanging out, and we're planning to continue to have a lazy day today. I fell in the snow going over to my grandparents' house and kind of tore open my incision, and so I really need to rest and fully recuperate before I go back to like work tomorrow. So that is the plan for today. I am about to feed Gracie lunch, so I'll take you along on that journey, as well as I'm gonna be folding some laundry, and then really wanna attempt to clean out our fridge, which is sort of a daunting task right now, but I think that if I like do shelf by shelf and then just like relax for like 10 minutes, that I'll be okay. And I'm okay like in small time. The issue that I've been having too is severe swelling. Like I wake up in the morning and my stomach is like basically normal size, and by the end of the day it is like sticking out by like 5 inches. Like it is insane. So I'm ready for that to end, and I know to really get that to go away I need to sit, which is hard for me because of you, and I'm just busy. But yep, so that is what our day is going to look like today. Should we have lunch? Are you hungry? Yeah. Yes? Okay, let's get you some lunch. Okay, come here. Let's get you some lunch. Please don't run from me. Yeah, that's not nice. You ready? Sit down. Let's get your bib. Spit your baby out. All right. Lean back. Oh, lean forward. Lean forward. Put your head down so I can see. Yeah, I don't want to get your hair. No, I know. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Say thank you. You're welcome, sweet girl. Enjoy your lunch. I'm also going to go ahead and grab her some things to drink. Did nothing besides fold laundry and relax, which is partly what I needed to do, but also I really need to clean out this fridge before I do grocery pickup between 4 and 5. I'm really hoping that Corey is going to be off in time to help me unload the groceries, but I'd really like to bring them home to a nice clean fridge. So that is what I'm going to do now. So as I'm cleaning, I am feeling like sick to my stomach because I'm seeing so much food in here that is gone bad. And it has gone bad before. Like a large chunk of it, yes, was like while I was like down and out because I couldn't cook / like didn't really want to eat the food that was in there. Also, I wasn't super educated on like what would and wouldn't make me feel worse, and so a lot of this stuff like isn't going to be good for me, so I need to like eliminate it. but I am like seriously realizing that I need to tighten it up when it comes to just like buying stuff and then not using it. Like it needs to not be an option, because like there is probably four or five HelloFresh bags that I'm going to have to throw away because all of the produce in it has gone bad. I froze all the meat, thankfully, so I'll be able to use that. So that's like a lot of like, you know, chicken breasts and stuff, because I don't usually order any like red meat from them. I'm feeling like super disappointed. And we're also kind of conflicted with HelloFresh right now, because I like it because it's so convenient for me in the sense that I don't have to think about what I'm going to make. Like I just make it. And I know that probably sounds like ridiculous coming from someone who's a stay-at-home mom, but like sometimes I will spend so much time and money and energy in like trying to cook something, and then by the time I like get all the stuff ready and like go to do it, I don't even want to do it anymore. So then I'm just like irritated the entire time, and so I hate doing it, and then I don't enjoy eating it, and I'm frustrated, and usually take that out on Corey, which is like bad, I know, but true. So that is a struggle we're having right now. Also, Corey's kind of sick of HelloFresh, and so I'm not sure what we're gonna do. I skipped the next couple weeks, and we're gonna try budgeting in just grocery shopping again, because I do think we were saving money like when we looked at our budget like on HelloFresh and off HelloFresh, but we'll see where we're at. But back to cleaning. I'm sorry, I'm a horrible human being. I'm going to be better. All cleaned out. Now I'm going to quickly wipe it down, and then I'll just put everything back in and rearrange it so it's a little bit more organized. To be honest with you, it has been, gosh, probably, this is gross, over a year, if not close to 2 years since I've like deep cleaned this thing. So that is not sanitary. So I'm going to spray it down with Thieves and use a hot washcloth and wipe everything clean, and then I will put everything back in, and hopefully it will be more organized and will stay more organized. So I finished the fridge, and then I went and did grocery pickup, and then Corey helped me pack all the stuff upstairs and put it away, and I am super happy with how it turned out. I did end up taking like all the drawers, all the shelves out, and like scrubbing them in like scalding water, just because I want to just double check that I didn't have any weird germs on there because it had been so long. So I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like now. I'm super excited, and I really hope it stays that way. All right, starting from the top, I added some little containers that I already had because I ordered some on grocery pickup, and they didn't have like the ones I wanted separately. So they gave me like huge packs of them for the same price. So I had these just kind of laying around. But I put like some condiments up here, Gracie's ouch packs, honey, some yogurt that I'm gonna make into yogurt pouches for Gracie. This is the fruit area. Gracie is obsessed with fruit right now. It is by far her favorite thing to eat. So I have raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, and apples. This is cheeses and stuff like that. Velveeta, which I don't know, can you consider that cheese? Then I have some buys in the back, Gatorade in the front, and then this is just like a snack bin for Gracie. So there's like pudding and like sugar-free pudding, applesauce. We love these guacamole things. One of my best friends got me into this, and now that's like our favorite part of snack or lunch or dinner or whatever. Her cheese sticks. And then down here I just have some Pops and LaCroix, and then just a couple of HelloFreshes, and then in here is all of our vegetables. And then finally I have meat, so like turkey brats, and then I have also some like bread things like biscuits and things like that, and then also tortillas in this drawer. Then on the side I put all of my butter and like heavy whipping cream and cream cheese up there, milk, then condiments that I use most often to least often, plus my chai tea. And then on the bottom, I have our eggs and some juice. And then also this whipped cream is for church on Sunday. But overall, I'm super happy and proud of it. And I did it slowly and over time, so I didn't hurt myself. Do you approve, Gracie? Yeah.